start next organelle, cell organelle, lysosome and mitochondria. First we will discuss about lysosome. Lysosomes are a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Waste disposal system of the cell. Whatever the waste material that is disposed or cleaned by such organelle, that is a lysosome. Lysosome help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material. Whatever the material come from outside of the body, that is digested by this lysosome, as well as worn out cells and tissue which are generally damaged inside our body. They are called worn out cells. They are also digested and cleaned by this lysosome. Lysosomes are able to do this because they contain a powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all the organic materials. And lysosome can do this because in the lysosome a powerful hydrolytic enzyme is present which can dissolve all these organic materials. Therefore, why it is called cellular scavenger or demolition squad. It is important to know. Next point, during the disturbance in cellular metabolism, means biochemical reactions, during the disturbance in cellular metabolism, when the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as the suicidal bag of a cell. You should know when there is any disturbance in metabolism. In this condition, lysosome burst and whole cell can get dissolved, and on this basis, therefore, lysosomes are also known as the suicidal bag of a cell. Next point, lysosomes are found in all animal cells except mammalian RBC. Found in all animal cells except mammalian RBC. Plant cells generally lack lysosomes. You should remember. Next point, enzymes present in lysosomes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. We have discussed in the earlier lecture about endoplasmic reticulum. The enzymes present in lysosomes are made by RER or rough endoplasmic reticulum and packaged by Golgi apparatus. Next cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Very important. Mitochondria are strange organelles in the sense that they have their own DNA and ribosomes. Actually, we know in the nucleus DNA is present. So when question is asked, name cell organelles except nucleus having their own DNA. So it is mitochondria and another cell organelle from plant cell, that is a plastid. The mitochondria and plastids both having their own DNA. Second point, DNA and ribosomes make the mitochondria semi-autonomous. On the basis of this, presence of this can synthesize their own protein. This mitochondria is considered as semi-autonomous as they are able to manufacture some of their own proteins and enzymes. Mitochondria, next point, mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because energy required for various activities needed for life is released by mitochondria. in the form of ATP, and its full form is adenosine triphosphate. Therefore, why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. This question is also asked generally, why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. You should know mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP for doing various activities. Therefore, why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Next point, ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. This energy is produced in mitochondria in the form of adenosine triphosphate, not any other form of energy. It is adenosine triphosphate ATP, and it is called energy currency of the cell. Mitochondria have two membrane covering. This one is the outer membrane, this one is the inner membrane. Mitochondria have two membrane covering. The outer membrane is very porous, having pores or holes, while the inner membrane is deeply folded. You can see this finger-like projections are made by inner membrane. These are called cristae, and due to this folding, surface area of the mitochondria is increased many times, and therefore biochemical reaction which takes place for the formation of ATP is increased. The outer membrane is very porous, while the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generation. Due to this folding, inner side of mitochondria get larger surface, and on this larger surface biochemical reactions takes place smoothly to produce this ATP. So it is all about two organelle, lysosome and mitochondria. Next day we will discuss another cell organelles, and it will be finished and